Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Tracy's Sunday Challenge, the 26th of May. This week's theme is Incolors, and these are our 5 wonderful 24 to 26 Incolors. We've got from the top, Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink, Shy Shamrock, Summer Splash and Petunia Pop. Very, very pretty colours, 5 beautiful ones that all work together so well. So the card that we're going to be creating, I'm going to use a couple of stamp sets. So I've got the Unbounded Love bundle. Now you can find this on page 54. It's part of the Unbounded Beauty suite. There's actually two bundles in that suite. And I'm using a background stamp called Leaf Collection. Absolutely beautiful. We got this at On Stage and I love it. So we have Peach Pie. I'm just going to go through each of the colours. Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, Pretty in Pink, which is really growing on me. I'm starting to really like that colour. Petunia Pop, and we're going to do Summer Splash today. So I actually created these cards to pop in my catalogues that I sent out to my customers. So they received a card in their pack as well as a couple of little other things. But I have a card base of Basic White Thick. I've got Basic White Thick for the matting and Shy Shamrock cardstock. We're using Shy Shamrock ink and ribbon as well as the INKY resin dots, which are really, really pretty. I love them. They're nice and flat and just, I like that, you know, there's no sharp edges in those embellishments. So I was given this beautiful misty stamp positioner tool by my wonderful friend Wendy Cranford, and that's what I'm going to use today. So I've already lined up in the exact area that I need it to be, so I'm just going to ink up with our ink, placing it down so I know exactly where it's going to stamp, and it comes with grid paper, so that helps to position it in the correct spot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that piece of basic white in the middle and stamp that back down again. Now what's really great is with the stamp positioning, if you don't get an image, a good image first go, what you can do is you can then re-ink it and then stamp it back down, and you're going to have perfect placement because your stamp is not moving. Now realistically, what I should have shown you is I was popped repositional tape down, so it was stuck down, so if it didn't stamp properly I could easily stamp it back down again. It was already on the paper. So we have a piece of Basic White Thick as our card base. It's actually half a piece of A4 cut in half and scored in half because it was already half. So a piece of A4 will make 2 card bases. I'm also going to grab out this Unbounded Love bundle. It has some wonderful dies in it and really great sentiment, so you're getting tons and tons of dies on this set. I'm actually going to do one of the labels in the middle of the Summer Splash cardstock because it's our matting piece, so we're not going to see it, but it's a great way of conserving your cardstock and getting a good use out of your cardstock. And I'm also cutting one of those little labels from the Basic White. Now what actually happens with this label is it cuts out 2 pieces. One like a fancy little frame, and then the other one is like a rounded, I don't know, rounded rectangle, I would say. But I have a few of these frames now that I've made the cards for all my customers. So I'm going to have to think of something that I'm going to use these frames for, but I think that would look really great on a card. So I've got them in a scrap bowl with all my other scraps, and I'm going to do a Tracy Sunday Challenge scrap pile theme again really soon. So hopefully you're keeping your scraps as well. Okay, with that basic white die cut that we have, I'm going to use the sentiment and just stamp in the Summer Splash ink. And I'm using Just For You, so there's so many sentiments in that you're going to have enough for everything that you would ever need. So I'm just going to stamp that down. This card, you know, is a very, very simple card. I really just wanted to show off the beautiful cardstock, the embellishments, the ribbon, the ink, The only thing that's missing is DSP, but that's okay, it doesn't matter. So we're going to pop those up with some dimensionals down onto the Summer Splash label that we've already pre-cut, die cut. So I'm just going to use some liquid glue. We're going to add that basic white panel to the Summer Splash. And then we're also, I'm not sure whether I actually pop that up. I think I may pop that up onto the card base. But there's a nice little border all the way around. And again, I haven't wasted that whole piece because I did die cut. You could actually die cut a couple of them from the center. And we're going to pop up our little sentiment piece. So there's actually a fair bit of popping up on this. So hopefully you have the Incolors in your stash already. If you don't and you still would like to join in, maybe choose one color that's really close to one of the Incolors if you don't have those colors in your stash already. But I would love to see what you're going to create, so please join in, please share your project. It's always fun to see. Now you'll find all the information of these cards over on my blog as well, so go over and check that out. And if you would like to purchase the Incolors, you can purchase them in my online store. Everything is over in the description of this video. You can see my online store and everything like that, so go on over. I've got some great gifts to give out to all my customers each month using the host code. You'll get a handmade card as well as the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle. And if you spend over $65 in product before postage, you'll also receive the monthly tutorial bundle. So, and I would love to spoil you as a customer. Now, this month, and we've only got a couple of days left, there is a wonderful special going on with the starter kit. So you can get all the Incolor ink pads, the cardstock, the markers, and Incolor DSP absolutely free by purchasing the starter kit. Now the starter kit is $169. You get to choose $235 worth of product, and you're going to receive those Incolor products for free. Now those Incolor products are worth $144 that you're getting for free. So in the end, it's actually $210 of free product, and you're only paying $169. But you're getting a lot more than that. Amazing, amazing deal. Now, there is only a few days left to grab that starter kit special. So if you would like more information, if you would like to chat to me about it, maybe have a few questions, please reach out to me. I would love to welcome you to my team, the INKY Stampers. And it's an amazing deal. You know, you're getting lots and lots of free product, and you'll get your discount on top of that with your next order. So 20% discount. There's so many perks for being a demonstrator, and I would love to welcome you to our wonderful team. And then I've just added my little ribbon there, added a resin dot, and how pretty are they? All 5 colors in the Incolors. I know that you're going to love those Incolors. If you have a favorite, please let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me today. I hope that you've enjoyed today's project. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you left me a comment. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do that as well. Come and join in the challenge as well. Alright, enjoy the rest of your weekend, everyone. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.